Now, as many of you already know, that Pick n Pay is in a process of raising 4 billion through rights offer. Ladies and gents, we just read wonderful news just yesterday, saying indicating that Pick n Pay, that 4 billion which they initially planned to raise, apparently they've gotten more than what they planned or what they were expecting, and that is 8.2 billion. So Pick n Pay has attracted 8.2 billion rands worth of money through this rights offer, which is something that is pretty exciting. Like I said, Pick n Pay's plans was to raise 4 million and to see Pick n Pay reaching this or getting subscriptions that are equating to roughly around 8.2 billion rands. It is something that is pretty exciting. It looks like investors are really optimistic about the turnaround strategies, about the strategies that Pick n Pay wants to launch to try to make their company better. So when I read this, I was very excited, and made me wonder some of the Pick n Pay shareholders, the kind of shares that they scoped during this rights offer. But the report stipulates that around 98.7% of the investors participated in the rights offer, which is something that is pretty exciting. This is bullish for Pick n Pay because the 6.2 billion rands of loan which they have, which is going to be their main priority in terms of the money they are raising, they are easily going to make sure that they bring that debt down. So I'm happy for Pick n Pay. I'm happy for Pick n Pay shareholders, and this, I think, it's a good sign to say that Pick n Pay will do absolutely well. Pick n Pay will recover, and those that are persevering throughout the headwinds will definitely get rewarded. Yes, they are not profitable. Yes, there might still be issues now, but this 8 billion or 8.2 billion we're reading about could be the one that opens the doors for Pick n Pay. You will know that Pick n Pay also changed their management or their top executives, which is something that will bring, or it's expected to bring, a turnaround strategy, a good turnaround strategy for the company, which is absolutely great. And I have no doubt that with this, Pick n Pay will be able to do whatever they can to revive the business, to deploy more stores, which will result into them generating some good revenues and head back to profitability. So I'm happy. I'm excited. I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates because I started giving you the updates about Pick n Pay rights offer, and I saw quite a number of people interested on the topic. So these are the latest developments around Pick n Pay, and yeah, things are looking good. I mean, imagine Pick n Pay was to raise 4 billion, and now they have attracted 8.2 billion worth of subscriptions, which is something that is pretty exciting. This personally, I never really thought that they would get over their target, but to get to see them doubling in terms of what they wanted, it is something that is really commendable. And to see a participation of 98.7% from their shareholders, it means that shareholders see the potential, see the good future onto Pick n Pay, which is why they are participating and make sure that they add these more shares that Pick n Pay just issued. Now it's up to Pick n Pay to make sure that they perform, they do whatever it takes to revive this business and reward their shareholders. Otherwise, with all that, do your own DD before you buy any JSE stock. As whatever I say on this channel are just my opinions and not professional financial advice, and therefore it requires you to have done some due diligence, that at least you are comfortable as you are investing onto any stock into the stock market. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.